In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the same change to multiple schedules all in one step. This can be very useful when you have a special event that requires you to change more than one schedule. We could go into each schedule and make the change individually, but that can be error prone and easy to make a mistake. So I'll show you how to do that all in one action. We start here on the schedules page. Next, we're going to select the two schedules we care about, the North Wing and the South Wing schedule. Notice these are both HVAC schedules, and we can make this change to as many schedules as we want as long as they're the same type. Now that we have those selected, we'll go to Create Exception, confirm these are the two schedules we want to change. Now we're going to decide what day we want that change to occur. We're going to click the single date option, pick our date as the Thursday of the 17th. Now define the events that we want on that day. And we are going to create events to go through maybe an open house after hours that we might have at a school. So we're going to start with a 6 p.m. occupied event and let that go occupied until 8 p.m. and we're just going to release that occupied control. The release value here is going to let the schedule go back to its normal operation. We add those events and click Finish. To verify that our change did what we wanted, we can go to the 17th in our schedules here and confirm. We have the red border around our schedule, which indicates there is an exception on that day or a special event. And we can see that we have a 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. occupied time now in the evening. I also want to call attention to the fact that the normal events are unaffected. So even though we added an exception in the evening from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., the start times are the same. You can see the South Wing schedule still starts at 5 a.m. and the North Wing schedule still starts at 6 a.m. So this is a great way to speed up your process for making the same change to multiple schedules all at once. Hopefully this can save you a lot of time.